Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Eric Cartman from South Park, and this is the Fortnite skin, so it's like Cartman in his crazy robot cardboard box Awesome suit. I'm going to go in there, I'm going to draw his eyes first of all. So let's just draw a couple of circles in that central area. I'm going to pop one about here. Just go around this way, curve it out here, and join it up there. And then go on the other side, let's just pop another kind of overly circle around that way. A couple of little dots, like that. We've got those eyes. I'm going to put the brows in. I've got one brow here, just a diagonal line up here, and another diagonal going up this way. Then what I'm going to do, just put a little mouth in. It's almost like a little triangle. And go about here. Come around, down and up like that. Cut it off there. Colour in the bottom part. So we've got some teeth. Then we're going to pop in a little line in the middle there. Then another line either side. Okay, it's coming together. Now, his hands are going around the face over here, sort of coming out of the box. So I'm just going to draw his little gloved hands coming out here. So I've got a little curve coming out and around like that. It's a little curve. Same sort of over this side, and come around here, curving around and along here. Okay, so I've got these little yellow gloves there. What I can do with that now is draw his curve of his head behind it. So I'm going to start around here. So I've got his hat along the top, right? If I start from about here, curve into that mitten, curve like that. Along the bottom here, going to curve probably from about this point here, come along like that. And then at this point, I'm going to curve it up this way from the mitten about here. Just curve it up like that. So we've got that cool curved head of Cartman. Then I'm going to go right across it, do a little curve where his hat starts. So I'm going to go along here, just draw along like that. Go a bit further out. A couple of little lines up like this. This is like the rim of the hat. Then what I'm going to do is just go back over here, join it up. Then the cardboard box sort of top is sort of lined off about here. I might just draw a line in. It's got a little line at the top around here. And what I can do then is just draw the little curve of his bright blue top of his hat. So a little curve goes up there. From here, got a nice little curve going that way. Cool, we've got that Cartman face in now, yeah? Cardboard box kind of goes backwards this way here, back this way here. Why don't we just block that in, ink it up. Then I can draw the top of this robot head. So kind of goes up here like crinkly old bit of cardboard. Same here, crinkly bit of cardboard. Just make it a bit wobbly if you want. Join it up at the top. So go along here, nice wobbly line. Now, in the middle of this, it's got a little robot face. So I'm going to do, again, sort of two eyes. I've got one eye around here, so it's sort of like an egg-shaped oval. And over here, same little bit of a gap, and then we just draw a little curve in there. Again, we can just fill these in. Block it in there. Block it in there. Then there's a little mouthpiece. Again, it's like a bit like his mouth at the bottom here, but curved triangle, but it goes upwards this way. So there's a long line sort of here, kind of curves up and down like that, sort of curves around. And then we've got just fill in two little parts here, and then just in the corners, just fill in a little triangular bit there. We've got a little sort of grill look to the box. Couple little buttons, 3 buttons actually along here. So just do 3 little squares. There's a little light on the top, so I'm just going to pop a little dome bit there. Then he's got a little antennae sort of popping over, so wiggly line up like that. Another little bit sort of popping up round out the top there. And then he's got a little wiggly coil line going down here where he probably controls it. So I'm gonna come out from here and I'm just gonna draw a little wiggly line coming down to his mitten there. Cool, okay. Let's get the body part done next. So you can see a bit of Cartman's red jumper just behind his head. So I've got a little curve going around here, little South Park curve here. And then the rest of the box sort of comes behind either side here, and it comes down, sort of the little body part sort of comes down here, with a little wiggly cardboard box line. And again, we can just draw a little curve over this way here, like that. Little gap in the middle. I'm just going to draw two little lines here, and I'm going to draw a longer line across that box. That little middle bit, fill that bit in. Just a gap between the upper body and the hips at the torso. Then we can draw the rest of the box coming down here. So I've got a line comes down this way, a line that comes this way here, curve it around, nice and easy. And then he's got a little flap sort of comes out here. It's a little flap that comes out this way, and a little flap that comes out over there. There we go. Now I can get on with the legs. So what I'm going to do is draw two lines, 1, 2, like that. Over this side, 1, 2, coming down like that. And then he's got these little knee pads, so it's a little diagonal here, comes across that knee area there, up like that. Then it comes just down on these sides here, join it up, little knee area, back over here, join it up there. And on this side, I'm going to draw the central bit, just a little sort of slightly tapered square there. A little bit of the edge goes off that way, and over this side, diagonal, diagonal, and up like that. Okay, as we go down further, I've got sort of the next part of the box here, so I'm kind of just going to draw a little line out here and up, and I'll just fill that bit in here, like the little joint part. Two little box flaps coming out this way. Then I'm going to come down, I'm going to taper out either side here. So I've got one line here, one line here, join that up, maybe just line it there. And over this side, it's a little bit more kind of three-dimensional. I've got a flap coming out this way. I've got a little gap here where you've got this sort of knee joint, another flap flying out over here, and then I can just come down, draw two lines, one here, and then one at the back there. Go across, join them up like that. Again, we can kind of draw a little line here, and then we've kind of got another little like flap area coming out there. And I guess over here there's a little flat point coming here. Cool. Right, now I've got the feet, so I'm going to come out, just come out this way here, come out this way here, join it up, and come back on yourself and in. You've got that foot. And at the front here, I'm going to come downwards this way, really from here, downwards here, join that up, and just a little bit at the back there, and up, just to make it a little bit 3D. We've got those legs. We'll come back and do the detail in a moment. So next up, got the shoulder pads on his body. So these are extra bits of box. So I'm gonna come up on the side there from that corner, come outwards, and then bring it down here, join it up. Probably can just give it a little bit of a lip, bit of piping. On this side, we can come out sort of up this way here, come out like this, and then we can bring it Again, sort of down there. Join that up like that. And again, we can just give it a little bit of piping there. Got the tubular arm bits as well, so I'm going to come outwards. So about here, here, join it up. And on this side, I'm just going to come out to about here. Join that up like that. Right, let's get the forearms in. So I'm going to come down, first of all, this way here. At this point, I'm going to pop this line out a bit and come in. Come down this way here, taper it in. And then we've got a join and a join there, okay? I'm going to draw in a little bit of a sort of clenched hand. So I'm going to come around like this with a hand, with a thumb. And I'm going to come around this way here. There we go, got that clenched kind of fist. On this side, I'm going to come draw a longer line here. And then taper it in either side. So 1, 2, bring that up. Come out this way here. Bring it in. There. And again, I can draw that kind of wrist. I've got a clenched hand here. So come around this way like that. And then come around this way, curve it around like that. Okay, we've got that base kind of outline of Cartman's robot. Now, next up, let's just embellish it a little bit, add a few little bits and pieces to it. So first of all, what I'm going to do is just on these leg parts here, they're kind of domed. I'm going to just bring out a few little lines here, just go across and come outwards a little bit as you're drawing this. Just draw nice little lines going along there. On the arms as well, again, just bring some little lines to the mix, makes it look kind of circular. And over here, just bring in down the arm, we'll just draw those little arm parts in there. Cool, okay. Now on the shoulders, he's got a little light bulb over this side, so I'm just going to draw a little curved little bulb look here. One coming up around there. He's got little bits of tape, so just draw little squares in there to make it look like it's taped together. It's got like a little button on the top of this one, so just going to draw a little kind of box on the top of there. Again, it's sort of stuck together, so a few little bits stuck in. There's almost like a little microphone here, so I'm just going to draw like a little oval, colour it in, and then just a little bit of coily wire goes in there. He's got a remote control strapped to his arm here, so I'm going to draw like a little bit of diagonal tape first of all across here. Then I'm going to pop in a little remote, maybe just leave a little circle for the red button. The rest of it we can just fill it in nice and loose like that. On this side he's got little circular kind of canisters on here, so I'm just going to draw a circle here and a circle here. There's a little bit of tape on there. I think there's a little bit of tape here. Maybe there's a little bit more coming down that way as well. And on the hands, just a couple of curves around it there. Just come around, make it look a little bit 3D. Now, as we get to the chest point, it's the Awesome-O. So I'm going to write that in. So we're going to put A.W.E.S.O.M. little hyphen and an O. Little bar just underneath that. Like this, it's like a little coloured control panel that he's put together. A few little lines in there. And then again, he's got some little grills and things going on. So he's got a little square in the middle of the chest here. Little grill going on here. It's got sort of little diagonal bits here that kind of stuck to a little rectangular bit. Maybe we'll just colour these little bits in with the ink. Again, he's got a couple of canisters over this side, so I'm just going to draw a little square, line in the middle, then Just a little line across. There you go, that's cool. As we get to the hip sort of torso bit, there's a little switch here. I'm going to pop a little diagonal there. A little shape in here, and then he's got a little like pack on this side here. We can just be really loose with it, it's all good. A couple of little circles on this knee bit, so circle here, circle here. Then he's got like bits of tape again, so I'm going to put a little cross, a little bit of tape across these points. And then at the bottom here, he's got these little canisters again, so I'm going to just go across, draw a little sort of box, maybe a few little circles here. We can just draw that up here. Again, sort of 1, 2, 3. Pop these up here. Curve it along there. Maybe it cuts across the middle points. Then what I will do is just block around those edges. Just thicken it out. Just have a bit of fun with this one. It's quite fun to draw the South Park characters. I want to give it a bit of a outline because there's so much kind of going on in this picture. So just make it pop a little bit. On his edges a little bit. I'll just leave Cartman's head there, but just go around that top of the robot head. Maybe just around here. Just as we go up there, maybe that little line here. Yeah, just fill it out. There we go, I think that's pretty cool. There's Eric Cartman from South Park, also featuring Fortnite. So this is the Awesome skin and a robot look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who I can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.